So let's check out this baby. Mm-hmm. 1984 HZ landcruiser. I'm not overly familiar with all the H series. Front disc brakes, 2H diesel, 175,000 Ks. 2 keys to get into it. Oh, there we go, got it right first one. And look at it. All original. Just got to do a bit of a chassis repair back here. Nothing major, so we've got a bit of a donor chassis to take some parts off. Just used as a local farm vehicle, so the chassis is a bit rusty, surface rusty mainly. It's just nothing ugly, but the cab, it's only surface rust. Nothing else is really wrong with it. He's just going to leave it as it is, really. Not going to touch any paint work or anything. But yeah, bit of a barn find or farm find, if you want to say that. Just get into the bull bar here. Which way does that work? We're back. That. Runs, drives, nothing wrong with it. He just picked it up for a very, very cheap price. So he doesn't want anyone else to know what he bought it for, or else the owner might think, or the original owner might think he got ripped off. But he offered it for the price and he come along and bought it. So, and then when he went to insure it, the insurance company said no, the minimum value of insuring is 3 times the amount he paid. So yeah, something we got in just to do a little bit of a duct tape fix on. Just repair the chassis at the back and give it a bit of a tidy up there. But don't get any more cooler or original. I would say it's the last, more refined version of the old vehicles we know of, isn't it? So having the disc brakes and things like that people go looking for in the later years, but it still holds the old school look. Very nice. If I found it at that price, I'd buy one too.